Gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza otelo ne chenro mar ikruok ne ng'wech mabiro timore giko juma manyien e gwenge ma Mount Kenya. Maino mar ng'wenyno en solo omenda mar kedo gi tuo mar kansa e kaunti ma Meru. Kaunti ma Meru en achiel kuom kauntis ma tuo mar kansa osejimbore mokale pacho ka. Chenro ma ng'wechgo eko manochakore 2020 osekonyo gero od thieth mar kansa e osiptal maduong' ma Meru.
We don't have a radiotherapy machine. We refer our patients to Nairobi. These patients, before they are brought to us, they have used all the resources. They cannot even afford to go to Nairobi. Some, they even don't know where Nairobi is.
Our people are adversely affected by the cancer pandemic, and my government is committed to leading the fight against cancer with the aim of creating awareness, improving the care for the cancer patients, and equipping the Meru Cancer Center. In terms of environmental conservation, 70% of Meru County is semi-arid and adversely affected by the raging drought. This situation can be remedied if we join hands towards addressing the challenges. It is for this reason that I have called you here today to support the county government towards supporting Mountain Run, creating cancer awareness, promoting environmental conservation, and this event presents a good opportunity to exercise your corporate social responsibility through contributing to this noble cause of addressing pressing issues in our community.